Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with some information. This is an update of the workflow automation for the influencer Instagram slide pack monthly report. So yeah, you are familiar with this chart. I have made some modification in this, a slight modification because we have. I'm just setting. I'm just uh, trying to prepare a setup so that we can have the minimum manual entry, then we can process it. So let me go through the changes we made and the agreement made with the Liam. So first of all, let me show you. Let me tell you one thing, that all the information you can see on this video is a dummy data. There is no relevancy with the real time data. So it's just the dummy thing. So okay, so as per our discussion, I have started setting up the initial values in the first three or four slides, and then we decided to change the tables and the GIF files. But as per discussion with Liam, what we agreed, but as per his instruction, that he don't want anything, he can do the rest of the things. He just want the tables for the influencer overview and the tables for the campaigns. Yep, paid overview, campaign views, these tables. He want me to automate these tables first, and then maybe, but mainly ask me to do that. So yeah, so keeping in mind this point, what I have done, I have made this change. So first of all, we will be using a URL database for this part, for this particular table. We are using different client, different project report and the reactive reports. So now we can select client 1, client 2, client 3 in here, and we can always use these two URLs on the URL database. So whenever you have a new client, you can always enter these two project and reactive reports in here, and those will be automatically picked with the drop down. So you don't need to plug and play with the URL. Similarly, for the TikTok performance sheets, if you have June, July, and August sheet for the client one, you can just enter, just punch in the URLs on these cells, and that's it. And then I'll show you the desktop for the slides control. Yeah, here the desktop for the slide control, and as per our agreement, we will not be using the skin here and others, because different client have different names. So we'll be focusing on the formatting of the tab name, so that we can find out. So first of all, we will select the client so that they can give us the correct sheets to navigate to, and then we will be taking the July, like the month name. We agreed that we will be keeping the month name format same for all the existing and the future clients as well, and the month name will be this. So first of all, we have made the campaign database. Now we'll be taking the tab names in a proper format, so then we can pick those, and then we'll be having the drop downs, which are on the sheets, relevant sheets. Let me show you for one sheet. So we'll be using column A as a control column to pull out the values, and Liam is working on the template of this sheet. Not this one. So Liam is actually working on the template so that he can give me the all the tables, and then yeah, these are the tables. So there are some clients which have four tables. There are some clients which have five tables, and the rows are different. So yeah, we are agreed that we are going to make this a proper format, and these headings as well, because the headings were different. Like for the 6 seconds view, have different headings on different charts. So we'll be keeping those same. So we are just aligning the things, and I think we are so good now. We are good to go with that thing. Now I'm waiting for the templates for the client sheet, and then we'll be going for the heading. Yes, so these are the four steps we are going to do, and once these are done, I'll be taking the I'll be testing with the different clients by pasting the URLs of those clients for the Instagram influencer on here. And what how it will work, it will work like this. You just need to come in. Currently the sheet name is, tab name is Inky. This is we can change this. So this is the slide control. Here you need to select the client. Obviously you are not going to change the year. This will be only one time for 1 year. And then yes, for each month you just need to come here, and whatever the data you want from, like if you will select April here, it will change the April, May, and June automatically, and obviously these tables will get updated. So you will be presented with a button. Just select these three, client and the month. This will be removed, and this will be only 1 year thing. So just select the client, select the initial month, press the button. What that will do, it will go to the relevant sheets, relevant tabs, spit out all the data in here, which you can always see. And we can decide whether we want to immediately within that step we want to update the slides as well. So yeah, this is the simplest step. So this was the main thing. We have to pull the right data, and we have to create a setup so that it can work for all the and future clients as well. So yes, I think we are good to go. Yeah, for the only this thing,